Students, as you know, we are doing exercise 67. Question number 1 to 10, we already discussed. Now, I'm starting from 11th question. Clear? Now, your 11th question is subtract by writing in columns. Subtract. Now, question number 11th is 4 hours 43 minutes 43 minutes from 8 hours and 30 minutes. Yes, students. Now, first we'll arrange this statement in columns, then subtract. Now, we have hours and minutes. Hours, minutes. Subtract 4 hours from. Take first 8 hours and 30 minutes. 8 hours, 30 minutes. Next is 8 hours 30 minutes. Now subtract 4 hours and 43 minutes. 4 hours and 43 minutes. Now students, here note, we can't subtract 43 from 30. So in first step, we will shift 1 hour in minutes column. सबसे आप 30 मिनट्स में से 43 मिनट्स माइनस नहीं कर सकते. तो पहले स्टेप में बेटा आप 1 आवर मिनट्स कॉलम में शिफ्ट करोगे. जब हम 1 आवर मिनट्स कॉलम में शिफ्ट करेंगे तो देन कन्वर्ट दिस 1 आवर इनटू मिनट्स. 1 आवर शिफ्ट इन मिनट्स कॉलम. इसके लिए बेटा आप राइट हैंड साइड पे 60 ऐड करो और इस साइड से -1. यहां आप 60 ऐड करोगे, इस साइड से -1, बिकॉज हमने 1 आवर मिनट्स कॉलम में शिफ्ट किया है. ये नाउ आफ्टर शिफ्टिंग वी हैव hours and minutes. 8 minus 1 is 7 and 60 plus 30 is 90. Now 4 upon 43. Now subtract. Clear beta? Now 10 minus 3 is 7. 8 minus 4, 4, and 7 minus 4, 3. So your answer is 3 hours and 47 minutes. 3 hours and 47 minutes. Clear, students? Now, according to your statement, subtract 4 hours 43 minutes from 8 hours 30 minutes. First, we'll arrange this statement in columns. Hours and minutes. 8 hours 30 minutes. Subtract 4 hours and 43 minutes. Now, students, observe the right side column. 30, 43. We can't subtract 43 from 30. For this, we will convert 1 hour into minutes column. इस साइड से 1 hour आप minutes column में shift करोगे. For this, as you know, in 1 hour we have 60 minutes plus 60. Now in left hand side -1. Now prepare the another column. Hours, minutes. 60 plus 30 is 90. And 8 minus 1 is 7. 4 hours and 43. Now subtract. 10 minus 3, 7. 8 minus 4, 4. And 7 minus 4 is 3. Clear, students? Now, question number 12. Now we have hours, and it's 14 hours 24 minutes. Minutes. 14 hours 24 minutes. And 9 hours 36 minutes. 9 hours and 36 minutes. Same, students, we can't subtract 36 from 24, so we will shift 1 year in right hand side. On this side plus 60, and here minus 1. Hours and minutes. 60 plus 24 is 84. 60 plus 24 is 84. Now 14 minus 1, 30. Okay. Now subtract 9 hours and 36 minutes. Okay. Now 14 minus 6 is 8. 14 minus 6 is 8. Here beta 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. Now 13 minus 9, 4. So your answer is 4 hours and 48 minutes. Answer is 4 hours and 48 minutes. Question number 12. Okay, beta. Now 13th question. "17 hours and 30 minutes. Hours, minutes. 17 hours and 30 minutes. Now subtract 8 hours and 48 minutes. 8 hours and 48 minutes. Now students, once again, we can't subtract 48 into 30. अब 38 में से 48 माइनस नहीं कर सकते. Then shift 1 hour in minutes column plus 60 minus 1. Clear? Now next is hours and minutes. Now 60 plus 30. 60 plus 30 is 90. 60 plus 30 is 90. And 17 minus 1 is 16. Clear, beta? Now subtract 8 hours and 48 minutes. Now 10 minus 8 is 2. 8 minus 4, 4. And 16 minus 8 is 8. So our answer is 8 hours and 42 minutes. And 42 minutes. This is question number 13. Okay. Now next question is question number 14. Students, now we'll subtract 6 minutes 44 seconds from 8 minutes and 12 seconds. Question number 14th. Now we have in columns minutes and seconds. 8 minutes, 12 seconds, and 6 minutes, 44 seconds. Now, observe this column, right hand side. We can't subtract 44 from 12. So, in first step, we will shift 1 minute in seconds column. Students, as you know, in 1 minute we have 60 seconds. So we'll add here 60 and minus 1. Now shift 1 minute in seconds column. In 1 minute we have 60 seconds. So in right hand side add 60 and in left hand side minus 1. Next is minutes and seconds. 60 plus 12 is 72. 60 plus 12 is 72 and 8 minus 1 is 7. 60 minus 12 is 72 and 8 minus 1 is 7. Now subtract 6 hours and 44 minutes. 6 minutes and 44 seconds. Now here 2, we will borrow 12. 12 minus 4 is 8 and 6 minus 4 is 2 and 7 minus 6 1. So our answer is 1 hour and 28 minutes. 1 minute and 28 seconds. Okay, beta. Now, last question of this exercise. Question number 15th. Now we have 8 minutes 30 seconds from subtract 8 minutes 30 seconds from 17 minutes. Minutes and seconds. We have 17 minutes and 00 second. And now subtract 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Using same method, students, in first step we will shift 1 minute in seconds column. So simply add 60 and on left hand side minus 1. Clear, students? Now minutes and seconds. 00 at 60, we have 60 seconds, and the 17 minus 1 is 16. Now students, subtract 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Zero. 6 minus 3 is 3, and 16 minus 8 is 8. Clear, students? Now your answer is 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Yes, students? Now, students, let us recall the full chapter once again. In this chapter, the points we discussed. Now, your unit is time. Now, the points we discuss in this unit. First point is, a clock has 2 hands. A clock has 2 hands. These are 2 hands. A clock has 2 hands. A longer hand calls the minutes, and the shorter hand calls the hours. Clear, students? Now, second point is, the minute hand goes 1 round the dial in 1 hour, and thus it completes 24 hours in a day. Clear, students? The minute hand goes 1 round the dial in 1 hour, and it completes 24 rounds in a day. Next is, this completes 24 rounds. Next point is, third point, the hour hand takes 12 hours to complete one round. So it completes 2 rounds in a day. Minute hand takes 24 rounds, and hour hand takes 2 rounds. The hour hand takes 12 hours to complete 1 round, and it completes 2 rounds in a day. Next step, we will discuss how we can use AM and PM. Use of AM and PM. The time after midnight and before, the time after 12 midnight and before 12 noon is right with AM. वो टाइम रात के 12 बजे के बाद का टाइम और दिन के 12 बजे से पहले का टाइम, इस टाइम के साथ हम AM यूज करते हैं। दोपहर के 12 बजे के बाद का टाइम और रात के 12 बजे के पहले का टाइम, इस टाइम के साथ बेटा आप PM यूज करते हो। यूज ऑफ AM और PM. In other words, you can say our day begins at 12 midnight and ends at 12 midnights of the following day. The time between 12 midnight and 12 noon is denoted as AM. The time between 12 midnight and 12 noon is denoted by AM. Next is the time between 12 noon and 12 midnight is denoted by PM. This is the rule of use of AM and PM. Next point. In one day, we have 24 hours. One day is equal to 24 hours. And in 1 hour, 60 minutes. And in 1 minute, 60 seconds. These are 3 points. In one day, we have 24 hours. In 1 hour, 60 minutes. And in 1 minute, 60 seconds. Now, last point is, in a 24-hour clock time, we use 4 digits to indicate time. 24-hour clock, we use 4 digits to indicate the time. For example, 1, 4, 3, 6. First 2 digits shows hours and last 2 digits shows minutes. So this is the whole summary of this unit. So students, today your homework is complete exercise 67 in your fair notebook.